Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. So I wanted to give you a quick short peek at next month's template fun fold class. We're going to be doing two different projects. I've got this tent fold project here, and I've got this double Z skinny barn fold with a belly band. So what I do is I'm going to share two step-by-step video tutorials with my viewers. I take you through the entire process from cutting your papers from scratch and then building your fun fold. And then I go ahead and decorate it to finish off the project using the current products. But if you subscribe to my class in the mail where you receive kits from me, let me show you what you'll get. So for this tent fold project, what you'll get is a template. Okay, now all my templates and all my practice kits are made out of retired product, but they're totally useful as a training tool. So you'll get a pre-made template with all the measurements marked on it for you. I also put a little cheat sheet on the back with the measurements for you. And then you also get a printed out tutorial with pictures, directions that follow along. The measurements are here as well. And then you get a practice kit, again, made out of retired product. So these are the ones that I'm sending out with my first batch. I always do a second batch as people sign up later in the month. So don't feel like you're going to miss out on these two. It's never too late to sign up. You're welcome to sign up. So there's the first one. There's the tent fold. Then I have the skinny Z fold. And again, you're going to get a pre-made template with all the markings, the tutorial, and a practice kit for that one as well. So if you want to sign up for my class, you are certainly welcome to join us. Okay? And just so you know, I do these as kind of an a la carte if you want. So you can do one project for $9 or both projects for $18. And if you want to save a little money because you really want to do all these fun folds, a lot of us have fun fold fever right now. If you want to do both projects and you want to keep doing it for about 6 months, I have a 6-month option where you subscribe and save for $96. So you save about $12 that way. Now this fee includes all the supplies and shipping it to you. So it's not like there's any added fees. So all my links for signing up are down below, and you are welcome to join. And if you take a look at the website, you can see previous ones. And if you want to grab some previous projects, I have some extras made so I can add those to your first mailing of your kits. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this little peek, and I hope you'll stay tuned in the month to come to see these projects as I share them. Thanks, everybody. I'll stamp again with you real soon. Bye-bye.